Hello, my name is Brennan and I am the McGraw-Hill consultant for Norco College. Professor Muto and my team collaborated to come up with your course materials for COM9 or Interpersonal Communication. And today I'll be briefing you on Connect and SmartBook, where you will be going to access a portion of your assignments for the term. We'll talk about registration and some best practices for running Connect. We'll get into the specific resources, in particular SmartBook, that are available to you, your purchasing options, and tech support. For the smoothest experience in Connect, I recommend using either Firefox or Chrome if you have a PC at home. If you have a Mac, Safari works fine. We do ask that you refrain from using Internet Explorer when accessing Connect. Much like an application for your smartphone, Internet Explorer updates too quickly for McGraw-Hill and it can create for a bit of a wonky experience. We also ask that you regularly clear your cookies in your web browsing history. Connect, like any other web-based application, gets bogged down if there's too much space being taken up through your internet browser. So just a couple of simple things you can do to ensure a smooth experience. The required materials for this course are Interpersonal Communication, 2nd edition by Corey Floyd. Professor Muto does have a special edition available to you in the Norco bookstore. It does include your print text with your Connect access code, and that is in the image here on the right. You can always purchase a used copy on the web somewhere of the national version of the book. However, this is not guaranteed to contain a Connect code, which you will need. I'll get into your all-digital options and your ways of purchasing the code by itself here momentarily. Registration for Connect is pretty straightforward. You're just going to log into your Blackboard account and click on COM9 with Professor Muto. You'll locate the folder on the left-hand sidebar that will contain your Connect assignments. Click on any one of these icons for the purposes of registration. They will all bring you to the same welcome screen for Connect. Go ahead and click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to enter an email address. Please use your Norco College email when registering for Connect and click Submit. Okay, I mentioned the bookstore earlier. If you acquired your materials in the Norco bookstore, you already have your print text and your Connect access code. Go ahead and enter that code here on the space on the left and click Submit, and off you go. Maybe you are on financial aid, maybe your work schedule is still up in the air and you're not sure if you're going to be able to stick with the class. McGraw-Hill will provide you with 2 weeks of courtesy access to the program. You'll have full access to the textbook as well as all your assignments in the program, and at the end of those 2 weeks though, you will need to upgrade to full access. Your third option is to purchase today. It's $75 for all digital access to the e-text and Connect. There's no print supplement that will immediately accompany this option. And everyone will create an account in Connect, first name, last name, security question, password, and you're all set. Snapshot of the home page in Connect. Now, you will be accessing all of your coursework in Blackboard, so please make a point of staying in Blackboard to access your Connect assignments. For those that did opt to purchase the Connect code directly from McGraw-Hill, you will get the option to purchase a loose leaf version of the book that will be mailed directly to your home. This will cost $15, $15, and there's no tax or markup assigned to this. So in theory, you can own the print and the digital for $90 out the door. Okay, SmartBook is a study tool that was designed with the same technology you may find either on Amazon or Netflix, where you, the user, have a profile with the program. SmartBook is going to highlight what you need to read, study, and learn, and it will ensure that you have the most impactful experience as you read and as you study. And it is powered by LearnSmart. So how does this work? Well, as you read and as you study, SmartBook is going to be asking you questions on learning objectives based on the chapter in which you are reading. You will have a question, you will have an answer. This is fill in the blank. Some are multiple choice, some are true or false. However, we are going to ask you to assign a cognitive value to your answer. This is not a test, this is not a quiz. We are just trying to identify any parts in the reading that maybe didn't stick with you. If you're anything like me, you read a page of a text and you may have data dumped half, if not more, of what you have just read. So this is going to help figure out the gaps in your reading. Based on your understanding of the question and answer module from the previous slide, SmartBook is now going to be highlighting the corresponding passage in the e-text. You'll access the e-text by clicking on the Read tab here. You'll note that some passages are highlighted here, this one in green, this one in yellow, this one is grayed out a little bit. Green means go. If a passage is highlighted in green, it means you have shown or demonstrated an understanding of this concept. You are both confident and you are correct in your answer, and we need to move you on to the parts that are highlighted in yellow. Yellow means slow down. We want you to stop for a minute, think, read, and answer a few more questions on this particular learning objective so you get a more robust foundation of this content. The parts that are grayed out up here, these are anecdotal in nature. It has its own value in reading the chapter, but it is not tied directly to a learning objective. We're getting a lot of great feedback with SmartBook, and we hope you do too. Thank you. My final slide is on tech support. In the event you experience an issue with Connect or SmartBook, Dr. Muto is not tech support for any of this. Please contact the customer care at 800-331-5094 in the event you experience an issue with the program. I've already given you a couple of troubleshooting measures between the web browser and the deletion of your internet history. In the event the customer care agent is not able to solve your problem on the spot, they will issue you a case number. It's very important you write that case number down because you will bring that to Professor Muto's attention. She will contact my team and we will get involved and come up with a solution for you. Thank you for your time and best of luck in interpersonal communication.